Hi friends, I am Ashraf Ali and today we will discuss about page styles in a LaTeX software. Friends, most welcome to MATLAB LaTeX software channel. And friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks. Page styles. The backslash document class command determines the size and position of page head and footer. The page style determines what goes in them. Number one is make title, generate a title page. Number two is page numbering, set the symbol used for page numbers. Number three is page style, change the heading and footing styles. Number four is this page style, change the headings and footings style for this page. Number one is make title. The make title command generates a title on a separate title page except in article class where the title is placed at the top of the first page. Information used to produce the title is obtained from the following declarations. Backslash other of curly braces name and backslash and name 2. The other command declares the document others of S where the argument is a list of others separated by backslash and. Commands use double backslash to separate lines within a single others entry, for example to give the others institution or address. Backslash date of text. The backslash date command declares text to be the document's date. With no backslash date command, the current date is used. Backslash thanks of text. The backslash thanks command produces a footnote to the title, usually used for credit acknowledgements. Backslash title of text. The backslash title command declares text to be the title of the document. Use double backslash to face a link break as usual. Number two is page numbering. Its synopsis are page numbering of style. Specifies the style of page numbers according to style. Also resets the page number to 1. The style argument is one of the following: Arabic numberless, Roman lowercase, Roman numberless, Roman up up is small, Roman and small r, and lower is capital R Roman, uppercase Roman numerals, alpha lowercase letters, alpha in capital A, alpha uppercase letters. Number three is page style. Its synopsis are page style of style. The page style command specifies how the headers and footers are typeset from the current page onward. Empty headers and footers, for example no page numbers. Headings put running headers on each page. The document style specifies what goes in the headers. My headings. Custom headers specified via the backslash mark both or the mark right commands. Here are the descriptions of backslash mark both and mark right. Backslash mark both or curly braces left and curly braces right. Sets both the left and the right headings. A left hand heading of left is generated by the last mark both command before the end of the page, while a right hand heading of right is generated by the first mark both or mark right that comes on the page if there is one, otherwise by the last one before the page. Backslash mark right of right sets the right heading, leaving the left heading unchanged. Number four is this page style of style. The backslash this Paste style command works in the same manner as the paste style command except that it changes to style for the current page only. Friends, thanks for listening me and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks.